Welcome to our lecture online. Here's our second example of how to solve inequalities in two variables. So first, again, we're going to put it into the format y equals mx plus b. In this case, of course, we have a greater than symbol in there, but the format will be the same. So we move the 2x to the other side. We get y greater than or equal to minus 2x plus 4. So now we have it in the proper format. The next step is to turn that into an equation, change this to an equal sign in such a way that we can find the boundary line equals to minus 2x plus 4. So we're going to graph this line. So the intercept is at 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, right there. The slope is minus 2. That means we go down over 1, go down over 1, go down 2 over 1, go down 2 over 1. So that means there and there. Well, actually, it kind of goes like this. All right, so there's our line, y equals minus 2x plus 4. Now we have two regions, region number 1 and region number 2. So they're kind of side by side here. And which of these regions satisfies inequality? Now notice we have a solid line because the points on the line also satisfy inequality because we have a equal symbol there. All right, let's check. We're going to do a check. We're going to do a test. And we're going to take the point 0, 0. And that point 0, 0 is right here, which is in region number 1. So let's see if that point satisfies inequality. Y greater than or equal to minus 2x plus 4. So we plug in a 0 for x and a 0 for y. So 0 greater than or equal to minus 2 times 0 plus 4. And that's a question mark, because did we pick a point in the correct region? Let's simplify this. So 0 greater than or equal to, that's 0 plus 4 or 4, question mark, and the answer, of course, is no. 0 is not greater than 4. So we picked a point in a region that does not satisfy an inequality, which means we're going to shade out this region. Note again that we're going to shade out the region that does not satisfy it, so the other region satisfy it. So this one is yes, and this one is no. Again, I picked a point in the region number 1. I plugged it into my inequality. 0 is not greater than 4. So therefore, the answer is no. This point does not satisfy the inequality. We shade it out, and the other region is the side that satisfies inequality. And that is how it's done. Okay, let's try our next one.